Hi, Nick Vandekar here, selling the main line with Long & Foster. I'm here with Nick Kiniry, our insurance manager at Long & Foster Insurance, and coldest day of the year. It's what, 5 degrees outside or something, Nick? And that got me thinking about frozen pipes, insurance. So fire away, how does that affect?
Well, it's a common issue that we deal with on most homeowners' policies. Frozen pipes are going to be covered. The real issue that we see with frozen pipes is on investment properties.
Okay.
Not everybody is going to have the comprehensive coverage for a replacement cost policy on their investment property.
Right.
And a lot of times one of the perils that's not covered is frozen pipes.
Yeah.
So on a day like today, if you have a vacant home, whether it be your primary residence and you've moved on, or an investment property, you want to make sure that you've gotten that winterized so that you don't face a serious issue with your pipes freezing.
Okay. And obviously if somebody has a investment property, that's a different policy as a landlord to your homeowner's policy.
It is a different type of policy. You want to make sure that your insurance company is aware that you have tenants living in the property.
Okay.
You want to also make sure that they have insurance for their belongings, because they're not going to be protected under your policy.
Okay.
Strictly for your risk on the property, the building itself, and any other contents that you might have at the property.
Okay. On our rental lease forms that we use, PAR ones, it actually prompts you in there to talk about insurance for the tenant, and it gives an amount that they should have and a liability amount. Suggestions on what that liability amount should be?
Well, the liability amount really has to do with the value of the property.
Okay.
So if you're say you're selling a home, and one of the situations that we've run into pretty commonly is they're selling their home, moving on to the next property, but they're being allowed to live in the property for 30, 40 days. And that
Right.
can be written in, I believe, as an addendum.
Yep.
We recommend that if it's a $500,000 house, you don't want them to have $300,000 in liability,
Okay.
because there's a $200,000 gap if they were to burn the house down.
Okay.
So really it just comes down to you as the landlord, you get to dictate what they cover.
Okay.
So you can't tell them what to do with their contents, that's their decision. But from a liability perspective, you want to be able to replace your home if they burn their house down.
Okay, great. Thanks very much, and stay warm today.